Hey there, viewers! This amazing workout routine will transform your body. Have you always wanted to transform your body? If so, then you're in the right place. To achieve the best physique, a proper strength training program is a must. Our workout guide is made to help you build an enormous body by developing muscular size across all your major muscle groups. All the while, this routine will also be eliminating body fat stores. In addition to adding muscle mass to your shoulders, chest, back, and legs, this plan also focuses on your biceps and triceps. This way, you can build bigger and stronger arms faster than you ever thought possible. For today's video, we will be introducing the exercises you'll need to do for each major muscle group of the body, like cable crossover for the upper body and crunch for the legs and abs. Keep watching to get to know these exercises better. Before we continue, a like would be great. Instructions. An excellent approach is to train on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Saturdays or Sundays so you have enough time to recover. Each workout is composed of straight sets, so you just need to complete all sets and reps of exercise 1, then proceed to exercise 2, and so on. You'll perform the same routines with the same moves in the same order. However, for each week, you need to make 2 major changes so your muscles are constantly being challenged. For the second week, do 2 extra reps of every move. In the third week, the reps per set goes back down to 10, but with 1 extra set for every move. For the final week, up the reps back to 12 with the higher set count, as this should be the hardest week. Workout 1, upper body. Number 1, incline dumbbell bench press, 4 sets, 10 reps, 60 seconds rest. Also known as the incline chest press, this move engages your pecs, your triceps, and your anterior deltoid muscles. It's a great way to build up strength and encourage muscle growth. Compared to a flat bench press, the angle of the adjustable bench places more tension on your upper chest muscles. Number 2, wide lat pull down, 4 sets, 10 reps, 60-second rest. This move is one of the best exercises to strengthen your back. It is a compound exercise that can develop your upper body strength and improve your posture. As its name suggests, it primarily works your lats, or the largest muscle of the back. Number 3, cable crossover, 3 sets, 10 reps, 60 seconds rest. This move is mainly used to strengthen the muscles of the upper chest. In fact, it has long since been the go-to exercise for bulking up your chest. Undoubtedly, it's one of those exercises that should be included in any workout designed to pump up the pecs. Number 4, cable bar biceps curl, 3 sets, 10 reps, 60 seconds rest. Cable bicep curls are one of the best ways to train your bicep muscles, whether your goals are about developing their size or strength. It is a pulling action done with a cable machine and is ideal for beginners. Number 5, cable triceps press down, 3 sets, 10 reps, 60 seconds rest. This isolation move is an incredibly effective exercise for targeting your triceps and building the muscle on the back of your upper arms. It requires the use of a cable machine, so you'll have to hit the gym for this one. Workout 2, legs and abs. Number 1, front squat, 4 sets, 10 reps, 60-second rest. If you want to add serious muscular size and strength to your lower body, then you'd never go wrong with the front squat. This move forces your quads to manage and move more of the load. It also compels your core muscles to work even harder to ensure your torso is upright and your upper body is balanced. Number 2, Romanian deadlift, 4 sets, 10 reps, 60-second rest. Also referred to as the RDL, this exercise is one of the best for training the muscles that make up the back of your body. When done correctly, it's great at strengthening both the core and the lower body with one move. Number 3, leg extension, 3 sets, 10 reps, 60-second rest. Leg extensions are typically done with a lever machine. It works mainly the quadriceps, which are the largest muscles of the front of your thigh. This exercise is used to develop body strength and muscle definition as part of a strength training routine. Number 4, hamstring curl, 3 sets, 10 reps, 60-second rest. The hamstring curl, also called a leg curl, is an exercise that strengthens the hamstrings. It engages your hamstrings and glutes, making them stronger. The stronger your hamstrings are, the less prone you are to injury and pain. Hamstring curls also stretch your quadriceps, helping relieve quad tightness and back pain. Number 5. Crunch. 3 sets, 10 reps, 60-second rest. Crunches are one of the most popular abs exercises around. It's a basic abdominal move, so once you master it, you can experiment with countless variations. It specifically targets your six-pack muscles and your obliques. With proper form, crunches can increase your core strength and prepare you for other harder bodyweight exercises. Workout 3. Upper body. Number 1. Bench press, 4 sets, 10 reps, 60 seconds rest. Bench presses are used to tone your upper body muscles, including your pecs, arms, and shoulders. You can do this with a barbell or dumbbells. For newbies, try lifting without weight on the bar to warm up, get a feel of the bar, and learn good form. It builds strength as well as promotes the growth of muscles. Number 2. Seated row. 4 sets, 10 reps, 60-second rest. A seated row is typically performed using a seated row machine or a seated cable row machine. If you're looking to build your upper body strength, then the seated row should be included in your program. It's a type of strength training move that works the back and upper arms. Number 3. Dumbbell lateral raise. 3 sets, 10 reps, 60 seconds rest. This isolation move should be focused on stretch and muscle contraction instead of using heavy weights. Lateral raises specifically target your delts. They can be beneficial for your fitness routine because they work the deltoid muscles of the shoulder. Number 4. Hammer curl. 3 sets, 10 reps, 60 seconds rest. The hammer curl is one of the most widely used exercises for training the upper body. To be specific, it strengthens the 3 largest muscles along the front of your upper arms. It also targets the additional muscles in the upper and lower arm for greater definition and increased strength. Number 5. Cable triceps extension. 3 sets, 10 reps, 60 seconds rest. Strengthening your triceps won't just make it easier to do everyday activities, but you'll also have increased strength, flexibility, and circulation. As an isolation move, it targets your triceps by continuously flexing the elbow joint against resistance. Cable tricep extensions are a must if you want bigger arms. Workout 4. Biceps and triceps. Number 1. Easy bar bicep curls. 4 sets, 10 reps, 60 seconds rest. An easy bar is a remarkably useful tool if your goal is to grow your muscles fast. Easy bar curls are designed to work your bicep muscles. You can perform it standing or while bent over a preacher bench. Other muscles in your elbows are also targeted when performing this move. Number 2. Easy bar triceps extension. 4 sets, 10 reps, 60 seconds rest. This isolation exercise builds muscle and strengthen your triceps. Extension moves allow for a deeper stretch in the muscle, so it's great for deep muscle fiber activation. When performed standing, it also indirectly engages your core muscles. Number 3. Dumbbell biceps curl. 3 sets, 10 reps, 60 seconds rest. A bicep curl is a simple yet essential exercise for huge arms. It works the muscles of your upper arm and those of your lower arm to a lesser extent. It's a great exercise to see significant results in strength and definition. Number 4. Cable triceps press down. 3 sets, 10 reps, 60-second rest. This isolation move primarily works your triceps. Cable triceps press downs increase the size and strength of your triceps, all the while engaging the front of your shoulders. It uses the adjustable cable machine and V-handle attachment, so you'll need to hit the gym for this one. Number 5. Cable bar biceps curl. 3 sets, 10 reps, 60-second rest. Bicep curls can also be performed with a cable machine. In fact, cables offer some benefits that dumbbells don't. Cable bar biceps curls are essentially a standing dumbbell curl, but done using the cable machine instead of dumbbells. It's very effective as it hits your biceps from all angles. The machine also provides constant resistance throughout the movement, in contrast to free weights. Are you ready to take on this ultimate workout routine that will transform your body? When are you starting? Share with us what your thoughts are. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel. Here are 2 more videos you should check out. Both of them will definitely help you reach your goals.